and lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Guys, I'm going to make you a beautiful cucumber juice with some cranberry inside of it. It's going to be amazing, very easy and simple, but refreshing and lovely with some ginger and lemon. So please enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is what's gonna happen. All right, I got some cucumber right here, and I'm gonna simply remove the skin from the cucumber. That's one of the first thing what you want to do, is remove the skin from the cucumber. Once you do that, simple, cut up your cucumber into your blender. So I'm going to be using roughly about a whole lot of cucumber. Nice one. Get a nice lovely piece of a chunk of a ginger. Cut it up straight inside of it. Get a piece of a lemon. I would advise you just to remove the skin from the lemon. I'm using roughly about a quarter of the lemon. Now I have some leftover cranberry juice and I'm going to use it inside of it. That's the last of my cranberry. Wow, that's amazing. I love my cranberry. I think there's a little bit too much in this, so just gonna simply pour it a little bit. Also, what you can do, if you don't mind, you can put a roughly about a teaspoon of honey. And we're just going to be blending this about 2 to 3 minutes it will take. Alright guys, lovely. So we're just gonna simple run it through our strainer. Alright. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Beautiful, look at that. So you want to get rid of the fiber. You don't want to drink, you don't want to, just want to just get rid of this. Nice one. Once you do that, then put that aside. And now what we're going to do is serve it up. Alright guys, it's going to be amazing. Nice. And lovely. Got some beautiful ice here. Serve with some ice. It's fantastic and amazing. Once you do that, get yourself cucumber to put inside of it. Alright, you can put a slice of a lemon also inside of it. All right. So that's exactly what you want to do. Not only that, you can put some Jamaican rum inside of it if you want to, but that's a thing that is just refreshing and nice to drink that like that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as you can see, refreshing, lovely and nice cranberry with cucumber, lemon and ginger with honey and sweetening. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.